In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make the most flavorful chicken shawarma in minutes, tender, juicy, and packed with bold Mediterranean spices, better than restaurant quality. So let's get to it. So the first thing we need to do is make the marinade for the chicken. We need 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, low fat, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 cloves of minced garlic, about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, some lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, and a half teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half if you want a less spicy, and salt and pepper to taste, about 1 teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. Mix well. It comes to be kind of like pasty looking. I have 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast or both. Get into every nook and cranny. Don't miss a spot. Wrap with plastic and marinate minimum of 20 minutes or up to 2 hours. The longer the better, or overnight. While chicken marinates, we're going to prep some onions and peppers and a creamy garlic yogurt sauce to take our shawarma to the next level. Saute the onions and peppers only about 50%. Keep them crunchy, and the only seasoning we need for them is salt and pepper. For the garlic yogurt sauce, we need 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 2 teaspoons of fresh chopped dill. I usually enjoy this dish in 2 ways: wrapped in lavash or pita for lunch, or adding some rice for dinner. Either way, it's a delicious and budget-friendly and satisfying meal. You can use other veggies if you would prefer. However, I think onions and peppers matches this dish just perfectly. So we're going to cook the chicken 4 or 5 minutes on each side on medium-high heat. I'm slicing chicken specifically for lavash or pita fillings. If you have never tried chicken shawarma before, or even if you have got to try this one. The flavors are so bold and irresistible, you'll be hooked for life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. and subscribe to my channel for more healthy and tasty recipes just like this one. And be sure to check out my other videos and the description below for a quick recipe summary and links to some of my favorite healthy products that I use regularly. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.